Hello. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Mecpow laser engraver. It's a 10-watt laser engraver. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Turn it around here. Okay, we have got our manual. Box full of nifty little pieces and parts. We'll see what that is in a moment. Here we have a controller board. And it looks like it is already wired to the gantry. We got power cords. These are feet. That's the feet there. Some screws. There is a little screwdriver here with it. Oh, these are the belts. Those are the drive belts for the gantry. There is a pair of safety glasses. With a cleaning cloth. What else we got down here? There is the plate to set the height or the focus of the laser. There are a couple of the axis bars. It's got a limit switch built into it. There should be two more of them down here. 1 and 2. And here is the laser module. First appearance, it appears to be very well made. It's a good heavy piece. I think that'll have to be tightened a little bit. I don't think it's going to move while it's doing anything, but that needs to be tightened a hair. We'll do that once I get it on the frame. The bars appear to be decently machined. In fact, very nicely machined. I do believe that these would go okay, so that goes there. That goes there. All right. Okay, first appearances, everything looks to be very well machined. Clearly marked. Good heavyweight material. The control board has got a power on off. It's got a key switch so nobody could come along and turn it on without your knowledge. Got an emergency stop. It's got an alarm for smoke. Got power, USB, and a micro SD slot. It's got a reset if it pops a circuit breaker, or when the alarm goes off, you can reset it. All right, let's see what this thing looks like when I get it put together.